welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use IFTTT for home automation routines. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to simply use IFTTT, that stands for if this then that trigger, you can simply need to connect the service. So you need to open this website or app if you have it. So once you open it, you need to simply then search for and connect the smart home service you use, such as Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. After this, you need to simply create an applet. On the IFTTT dashboard, simply tap on the create button and you need to simply click on the if this to select the trigger. Once this is done, you need to simply specify conditions for the trigger and then tap then that. Now you need to choose an action service and save and enable your applet. Now integrate it with your smart home routines by opening your Google Home app. You can navigate to routine and create a new routine as well and save your routine. So this is how you can use IFTTT for home automation routines. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.